Have you ever thought about earning $50 a day, the equivalent of almost $800,000, from home, using a laptop and assisted by AI, without a lot of capital, no complicated skills, or even any experience at all? In this video, I'll explain the most realistic way for beginners to earn $50 a day using AI. It's not a promise of heaven, but a method that many people already use. Make sure to watch until the end, because at the end I'll give you a combined strategy for faster results. But before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting information from Technogenius. Before we get into how, let's get one thing straight. AI isn't a magic money machine, but it is a super fast work tool. The problem is, many people and small businesses need content, images, and videos, but don't have the time or skills. This is where AI comes in. It's not to replace humans, but to help humans work faster, and our job is simple. Use AI to help people, and then get paid. This first method is the safest and most suitable for beginners. Many online shop owners, MSMEs, and creators are confused about creating captions, descriptions, or scripts. In fact, we can create them using AI in a matter of minutes. For example, one client pays $10 for 5 Instagram captions. If you get 5 clients a day, that's already $50 per day. What tools do you need? Just ChatGPT and the internet. You can offer this service on Fiverr, Upwork, or even in MSME Facebook groups. Remember, clients don't care whether you use AI or not. What matters is that the results are neat and usable. The second method, sell AI-generated images. Many online sellers need images for promotions, but they can't design them. We can help with this using an AI image generator in Canva. For example, create discount posters, aesthetic product images, or Instagram content. One image can be priced at $5 to $10. If you create 10 images a day, boom, you'll reach $50. Again, it's not about being good at design. It's about solving people's problems. This third method is currently trending, short videos without faces. Many channels need motivational videos, interesting facts, Islamic themes, or short stories. We just use AI voice, stock images, or videos, then edit them in CapCut. One video can be priced at $10. If you get orders for 5 videos a day, that's already $50. And the best part is, you can do it all from home. Important tip, don't just use one method. For example, 2 content service clients equals $20. 1 AI image package equals $15. 1 short video equals $15. Total, $50 per day. This is much more realistic than hoping for one big client. Many beginners fail not because of AI, but because of this. Thinking too much, watching too much, but never starting, or waiting to get good at it, even though clients pay for results, not diplomas. Remember this one sentence. Start first, improve as you go. AI won't make you rich if you just watch it, but AI can be an amazing tool if you dare to start, if you want to continue. Template prompts, service examples, or how to get your first client. Subscribe, like, and comment. AI Profit. We'll continue in the next video.